TikTok has literally exploded onto the social media scene. It went from being a fun app designed for kids, to an app that is currently used by all ages across the world by the tens of millions. Zhong Yiming, a 38-year-old software engineer from China, initially founded the app's parent company, ByteDance. He then rebranded it to Douyin in China in December 2016. Before long, TikTok took off worldwide. There are around 689 million monthly TikTok users today, making it one of the biggest social media platforms. Now that TikTok US has received $1 billion in funding for its creator fund, and has a value of over $50 billion, you would have to agree that creating content on TikTok is no longer a joke. You too have an incredible opportunity to make a lot of money online with TikTok. And you don't need to be an expert marketer or have specific technical know-how either. Making money from the video sharing platform is much simpler. You can create free live videos for a broad audience, encourage viewers to donate, and make money from sponsorships with famous brands. Or you can promote your own brand and products. Let's talk about the top ways of making money on TikTok in detail. 1. Get paid through TikTok's Creator Fund. TikTok Creator Fund is TikTok's way of supporting and rewarding innovative creators on their platform. It's the latest move by the app to make it a go-to platform for user-generated content. Like other platforms, TikTok Creator Fund doesn't depend on the advertising model. Instead, your fund amount grows along with your channel and content. It also depends on factors like views from real accounts, the region of your viewers, and more. And since content engagement on TikTok is dynamic that changes day after day, your funds will also change daily. However, for all that buzz around the program, it doesn't help make TikTokers a great deal of money. For instance, Anika, a TikTok creator with over 6 million views and 1 million likes, was only able to garner about $200 in 5 months or so. The TikTok Creator Fund may help you make enough money to splurge on Christmas gifts. But it's hardly going to be enough to make a dent in your college debt. 2. Receive donations for your live streams. One of the many ways to make money on TikTok is by taking donations from your followers or viewers. It works similarly to Twitch, where your fans donate cash to appreciate your live stream. As a creator, you can turn on live gifting while live streaming on TikTok, get awarded in real time, and cash out your rewards through PayPal. There's a slight twist here, however. Instead of cash, TikTok has several in-app coins that viewers have to purchase before gifting them to their favorite influencers. Each reward comes in a bunch of exciting options. They also have different values and require a different amount of coins. Note that only users aged 18, or the age of majority in your jurisdiction or older can send or receive these rewards. Viewers can also send stickers directly during the live stream without purchasing the coins. No matter how small the gift may appear, it feels nice to have someone sending you a message to recognize your work. Don't forget to give a shout out every time you receive a gift to connect with your audiences. If your fans feel appreciated for their gesture, they're likely to spread the word around, helping you boost your popularity. At the end of your stream, you'll be able to see the total number of gifts you received. You can easily see your balance in the Balance tab from your account settings area. You will get awarded with diamonds, virtual credit in exchange for the gifts based on your popularity. They'll also take the number and type of gifts into account. Usually, a diamond amounts to 50% of one coin. Finally, you, as a creator, can exchange those diamonds for real currency. It may not seem like a lot of money at first, but the more donors you have, the more gifts you receive, which may result in a significant amount. 3. Partner with sponsors and brands. Because of its popularity, brands and advertisers are willing to pay big bucks to creators to promote their products on TikTok. Most brands contact creators through their agents, especially if the creator is already viral on TikTok. But there's one way that creators can also earn money directly from advertisers, through TikTok Creator Marketplace. TikTok is the only social network to offer a built-in program for content creators. The Creator Marketplace is an official collaboration platform for brands and creators on TikTok. It makes it possible for innovative content creators to partner with brands for paid campaigns. You drive awareness and attract customers for the brand by mentioning them or using the product in your video. And then you get paid in exchange for your sponsored posts. Unfortunately, there's no way for creators to search for brands where they can find suitable brands to collaborate with. There's only a brand-facing version available currently. But before collaborating with brands, you have to meet specific eligibility criteria, based on age, video content, followers count, and engagement. You also have to switch to a creator account first. Once you meet all of these requirements, you'll get invited by TikTok to either join or apply. After joining the Creator Marketplace, head to your settings, click on Creator Tools, and then TikTok Creator Marketplace. It's where you can manage your creator profile. Make sure to edit your profile and set your rate for sponsored videos to get noticed by brands. Once you get famous, you can rake in a significant amount for your content. It's difficult to predict the potential earnings, but famous creators earn around $500 to $20,000 per video. However, keep in mind that TikTok doesn't allow you to take payments from brands directly on their platform. You have to arrange for payments directly. Once you reach a certain level, it's not the only platform where you'll earn money. Some particularly famous TikTok stars are all over the internet and collaborating with brands on Instagram as well. 4. Manage influencers. TikTok is one of the biggest rising platforms for influencers. And there are a lot of influencers out there who are willing to create good jingles and lives about brands. But not everyone wants to be viral on the internet. You can be camera shy or simply wary of the scrutiny that's part and parcel of being famous. If that's you, then you can earn money by managing influencer campaigns instead. One of the best ways to do this is by becoming a middleman between the brands and influencers. Your job will be to manage the relationships between brands and influencers, just like brokers or agents. You will be in charge of all agreements, activities, dealings, negotiations, and payouts. Besides, you'll have to make sure everyone follows through with their part of the contract. Your job is to be able to handle all of these tasks without any hiccup. And in the end, you get to enjoy a service fee made from deals you clinch between creators and brands. Beyond that, you can start your own TikTok agency, where you can also help creators shape their careers. As an agency, you will also handle your performers' public profile and persona and save them from taking any misstep. 5. Sell your own products on TikTok. You can generate revenue from your TikTok channel by selling merchandise or other products on the platform. It's another self-resilient revenue model similar to building your influencer agency. Bringing your products on TikTok means tapping into a diverse audience, consisting of Gen Z and millennials predominantly. And when combined, these generations have the buying power of around $150 billion in the US alone. This is incredible potential to tap into. First, you have to get your products in front of as many viewers as possible. One way to do this is through TikTok's #Challenge+. The concept is similar to user-generated content, which includes prompting your audience to create and share content featuring your product. The only addition is the shoppable hashtag that lets interested buyers purchase the product within the app itself. TikTok also creates a shoppable landing page for you where potential buyers get directed to after they click on the hashtag. The hashtag will also appear on the discovery page, helping you drive more traction. Kroger, an American retail brand, was the first brand to try out the #challenge. They roped in 4 influencers to prompt more and more TikTok users to share their dorm makeover videos accompanied by the #TransformYourDorm. The campaign ended up generating over 477 million video views and hundreds of thousands of UGC video creations. If you have an e-commerce website, you can also add your site's link in your bio. If you don't have a specific product to sell, you can even create your own merchandise and sell it to your dedicated fans. It can be anything: t-shirts, mugs, sweatshirts, etc. The idea can work wonderfully, especially if you already have a growing following on the platform. With TikTok's upcoming partnership with Teespring, you won't even have to worry about the process of designing, manufacturing, resourcing, and shipping. Collaboration with Teespring will even allow your viewers to purchase your merchandise within the TikTok app itself. Until then, you can turn to several other print-on-demand (POD) platforms on the internet if you want to sell your own merchandise on TikTok. 6. Grow and sell TikTok accounts. Flipping social media accounts isn't a new way to make money. Many people already do that on social media sites like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. You'll have to grow an account by gaining a significant number of TikTok followers and ongoing engagement. And once you reach a specific number, you can reach out to brands and individuals who might require a profile in that niche. I'd suggest you build your account around a specific theme, as they are easier to sell. Brands that are unwilling to grow their profile from scratch can take it over easily. And their viewers might not even notice the takeover. For instance, if you build a fashion-based profile, any fashion-related brand might buy it from you. Advertising such niche profiles is also easier than generic profiles with regular dances and skits. Brands or individuals seeking niche profiles will naturally search for specific terms, which might lead them to your page. You can also build a website to advertise your profiles and get in touch with interested buyers. or you can sell them on third-party marketplaces like FameSwap. 7. Launch your own music or artist career. If you want to showcase your talent and catch the eye of a credible talent agency, TikTok is the place to be. The social media platform can be a stepping stone to immense international fame and recognition. Think Addison Rae. She has done well on every other platform, even better than on TikTok, and is now a household name in the US. The influencer also got invited by the well-known talk show host Jimmy Fallon and even bagged her own Netflix show recently. And not just that, her recently launched song earned number 10 on the latest editions of New Music Friday and Pop Rising on Shopify. And if the recent Forbes report is anything to go by, she makes anything around $5 million a year. And she's not alone. TikTok can take credit for more than a few success stories of teens like Addison. The growth trajectory one can achieve from social media platforms like TikTok is nothing short of incredible. You can launch any career you want through TikTok. You can showcase your cooking or baking, singing talent, acting chops, comedic genius, and more. Your content could be seen by a producer, or someone equally important, which may help you land a life-changing gig. And getting noticed by someone prominent isn't even all that important. You can simply get famous and start earning on your own, without getting scouted by an agency. Begin by getting viral on TikTok and then plan your transition to other platforms like YouTube and Instagram. You can then start posting your content on various outlets, thereby growing your audience base and revenue sources even more. Now you already have 3 essential things you need to become a famous artist: a relevant audience base, digital publishing outlets, and a regular revenue stream. TikTok is the hottest social media site right now, and everyone who wants to be famous is uploading there. The app for short-form video sharing is a roaring success among millennials and allows you to share your skills with the world. Looking at the success stories coming out of the platform, it seems like a place for ordinary people to become overnight sensations. Yours can be the next success story from the platform. If you liked our video, then please drop us a like for the YouTube algorithm. Please leave a comment if you would like to learn more about how to get viral on TikTok in less than a month.